Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make two different glam trays out of an empty Ferrero Rocher chocolate box. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. Besides the empty Ferrero Rocher chocolate acrylic box, all the materials are available from Dollar Tree, unless otherwise stated. First, we will need an empty Ferrero chocolate box. These boxes are typically acrylic and open up into two parts. We will be using both parts for this project. We will need a pack of silver plastic spoons. We will be breaking off the round part of the spoon to save for a future project, and we will be using the arm part only for today's project. For additional embellishments, we will also need some gem stickers and rhinestone ribbon. Of course, you can use any color or shape of your choice. We will also need some large diamond acrylic gems. The ones I found were from the Dollarama and comes in a large container for $2. Alternatively, you can dig up some small round Christmas ornaments. We will also need a mirror. The size of the mirror will depend on the size of your Ferrero Rocher box. We just need to make sure the mirror fits well into the box. As per most of my projects, we will also need some hot glue and clear glue. Finally, to remove the Ferrero label, we will also need some packing tape. For a separate video on how to remove all the labeling from the box from beginning to end, I will leave the link below in the description box. Once the labels are removed, we can begin with our first tray. We start by embellishing all four sides of the tray with some gem stickers. To give the tray some height, we will adhere an acrylic diamond gem to the bottom of the tray, one for each corner, using some clear tacky glue. After adding the legs, you will see that I am adding extra crystal gem stickers to amp up the glam. You can add as much or as little embellishments to the tray. And there you have it, our first tray is finished. For our second tray, we will take the bottom tray and convert it into a mirrored tray. To begin, we will first decorate all four sides of the tray with the arms of the silver plastic spoons, placing them horizontally along the sides using some hot glue. Once all the spoon arms are set, we can add some crystal gem stickers along the front of the spoon arms. Although this step is optional, this will add some extra glam to the tray. Next, we will add a Christmas ball to the bottom of the tray, one on each corner. These balls will act as legs for the tray to give it some height. Next, we will apply some hot glue or clear glue to the back of our mirror and then carefully place the mirror into the tray. If the mirror is a bit smaller than the tray itself, like mine, you can add some ribbon to the sides to cover the gaps. As a final step, I will use some hot glue to adhere a string of necklace beads to all four sides of the tray above the spoon arms for extra glam. And there you have it, our second glam tray is complete. I really like how they both turned out. Comment down below and let me know if you prefer mirror number 1 or mirror number 2. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.